Here's a video on how to replace this gauge here. So we're going to want to remove the bottom grip here because we need to bleed the air out. So we're going to take this out. This is a 4mm. And then this is a 2.5mm. $4mm. Okay, now this screw, you're gonna unscrew this slowly, and this is how the air is gonna escape here. Just wait for it to pop. Okay, so this O-ring here, it's a bit cold when you do that, and it can deform a little bit here. Just want to make sure that it's looking good before you put it back in. Maybe let it warm up a bit before you screw it back on. Okay, so now we're going to remove this section here. So I'm going to open the loading gate. Take that out. Or loading lever, excuse me, whatever. All right. And this guy. Okay, keep those together. There's also a spring in here. You can take that out. All right, and the way that this is attached is it's keyed. So you're gonna push the whole thing that way. Maybe give it a slight twist at the same time. Okay. And I would inspect this O-ring too. I think they come with, the kit comes with an extra O-ring, so you can replace that if that looks bad. Then you're gonna put this back in. It's keyed, so you just start on the left there, and then slowly kind of give it a half twist as I go. Try not to force anything.